Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm recording a quick video for you to go over some recent changes Squarespace has made to the general menu navigation in the back end of your website. This is being recorded as of August 2023. So they're currently rolling this out. You may or may not have this active on your website yet, but most likely if you don't yet, you will soon. So I want to give a quick overview of what's changed and also settle your minds a bit. This is not a major upheaval. Everything is still easily found, and I'll show you also a quick trick on how to find things if you are finding yourself a little bit lost in the new navigation. So to begin, here we are over on our main page here of our website, and the main thing that's changed here you'll see is right here. It's where it says website. Now this used to say pages and design before it went into commerce, marketing, etc. So now it's all website. So if we click on that, it brings you into the pages, which you're generally accustomed to. So no major changes here, but what you want to look for, if you scroll down, there's this new section down here called utilities. And there's three separate menus here. Trash is self-explanatory. System pages, if we click on that, that's giving you where your custom 404, your default 404 page, your access denied screens, your checkout screens, and your lock screens where you can go into and edit those. And going back, if we look at website tools, this is a pretty significant change. So when you click on website tools, this is where you will now be able to find your custom CSS that used to be under the design menu, your code injection, your mobile information bar, and your cookies and visitor data. So again, there's nothing changed to these pages. It's just how you navigate to them. The other major change you'll notice is that since they took away the main design menu, that you still have your site styles. So if you want to change site styles now, you need to go into this paint bar here, which was always there, but now that's your main way of going into changing your site styles, your fonts, colors, animations, spacing, etc. That's the main way to do that. So it might take a little bit of time to get used to these as, navigation changes do occur. When you go back, things are still able to be found in settings. You will notice that that's where your browser or favicon is located, your social sharing, images under there. The developer tools is still there. So everything is still here. You just might have a little bit of difficulty as you get used to the new menu, finding some things. But I highly recommend taking advantage of using the search function. So you can click that button or just click a backslash. And so anything you're looking for, say, oh, where do I go to change the colors? You can type in colors and it will bring you in here. If you want to change your styles, just type in styles. It'll bring you a whole menu, buttons, anything. So just anything you're looking for. If you're like, oh, I can't remember where the browser or my favicon goes, you can type in favicon and it'll bring you there. When in doubt, always rely on the search function. It's pretty powerful. It should help you navigate wherever you need to be without having to spend time constantly clicking through the menu. So anything you're looking for, if you're not able to quickly find it, just use that search button. So that's it for now. Don't know if Squarespace will be coming out with any more updates to the navigation in the near future. We can always assume that someday they will, but wanted to get this out in front of you in case you were unaware that this was happening here in August 2023. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Thanks.